Deep within the rainforests of western Colombia lives a creature so small that it could sit comfortably in the palm of your hand. It doesn't have sharp teeth. It doesn't have claws. Cannot chase down its prey. And yet, it is one of the deadliest animals on Earth. Meet the golden poison frog, a tiny amphibian whose bright golden skin hides a secret powerful enough to stop a heart in minutes. This is the story of nature's smallest assassin. At first glance, the golden poison frog seems almost harmless. Most adults grow to only about 2 inches long. That's roughly the size of a paperclip. Its smooth skin glows with brilliant shades of yellow, gold, and sometimes orange. In the dim light of the rainforest, these colors appear almost unreal. But this dazzling appearance is not meant to attract attention. It is a warning, a message written in bright colors for every predator that sees it. Stay away. The golden poison frog lives in a small region of Colombia's Pacific rainforest. This environment is one of the wettest places on Earth. Rain falls almost daily. Towering trees block much of the sunlight. Dense vegetation covers the forest floor. The air is warm, humid, and alive with countless insects, birds, reptiles, and mammals. To most animals, the rainforest is a place of opportunity. For the golden poison frog, it is a fortress. This bright coloration makes it easy to spot. But unlike animals that depend on camouflage, this frog has evolved a different strategy. It wants to be seen. Scientists call this warning coloration aposematism. Many dangerous animals use bright colors to advertise their defenses. The brighter the warning, the more likely predators are to remember it. A bird that survives an encounter with a toxic frog rarely makes the same mistake twice. Over millions of years, this simple strategy has proven remarkably effective. The golden poison frog has turned visibility into protection. But what makes this tiny creature so deadly? The answer lies in a toxin called batrachotoxin. It is one of the most powerful natural poisons ever discovered. Unlike venomous animals that inject toxins through bites or stings, the golden poison frog stores poison within its skin. Simply touching the frog does not always cause harm to humans. But if the toxin enters the bloodstream through a cut or is ingested, the consequences can be devastating. Batrachotoxin attacks the nervous system. It forces muscles and nerves to remain permanently activated. The result is paralysis, heart failure, and often death. There is no known antidote. Once the toxin takes effect, medical treatment can do little to stop it. The amount of toxin carried by a single frog is astonishing. Scientists estimate that one golden poison frog may contain enough poison to kill multiple humans. Some estimates suggest enough toxin to kill 10 or more adult people under the right conditions. And remember, this animal weighs less than a few sheets of paper. Its deadly power seems almost impossible. Yet nature has created exactly that. For centuries, indigenous communities living in Colombia understood the frog's power. Long before modern science identified batrachotoxin, local hunters had already discovered its deadly properties. They carefully collected poison from the frogs and applied it to the tips of hunting darts. When fired from blowguns, these poison darts could quickly bring down animals much larger than the frog itself. This practice eventually inspired the common name used for many related species, poison dart frogs. It remains one of the most remarkable examples of humans learning from nature. Surprisingly, the golden poison frog does not create its poison on its own. Instead, scientists believe the toxin originates from its diet. The frog feeds on tiny insects found within the rainforest ecosystem. Ants, mites, small beetles. Some of these prey species contain chemical compounds that the frog absorbs and transforms into powerful toxins. This means the frog's deadliness is directly connected to its environment. In captivity, golden poison frogs fed a different diet gradually lose much of their toxicity. Without the special insects found in their natural habitat, the poison cannot be replenished. This discovery revealed an extraordinary relationship between predator, prey, and ecosystem. Despite their deadly reputation, golden poison frogs are hunters themselves. Their prey may be tiny, but catching it requires skill. Using excellent vision, the frog scans the forest floor for movement. When an insect comes within range, a lightning-fast tongue shoots forward. The prey disappears in an instant. Every successful hunt provides the energy needed to survive, and potentially the chemical ingredients needed to maintain its toxic defense. The life of a golden poison frog begins in a far less intimidating form. Like most amphibians, reproduction starts with eggs. Females lay small clusters in moist locations protected from direct sunlight. The male guards the eggs carefully. When the tadpoles hatch, an extraordinary journey begins. The father carries them on his back through the rainforest. One by one, he transports them to tiny pools of water hidden among plants and leaves. There, the young tadpoles continue their development. Golden poison frogs are not invincible. Their greatest threat is not a predator. It is habitat loss. The rainforests of Colombia face increasing pressure from human activity. Deforestation. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cinematic documentaries exploring the world's most fascinating animals. New episodes every week. From the deepest oceans to the densest rainforests. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.